blackness, that black power, that black pushing them to identify. We are the most beautiful creatures in the whole world, black people. I mean that in every sense.
Welcome back to another episode of I Live at Home Rent Free and Still Somehow Stay Tired. I'm your host, stay-at-home daughter, full-time viber, and part-time errand runner for my mama. So in today's video, we will be doing a monthly clean, and I am doing a few rooms in the house, although I already did some other rooms other days. So I'm just doing some rooms today. Okay, so we're just going to get right into it. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kania Jackson, and if you guys aren't, welcome back. Okay, we are starting with the master bedroom, and then we're going to go over into the kitchen and possibly the living room. We're gonna see how we do today, okay? Because I might be a little tired after this. This is too much, okay? This is a huge home and I have to do it alone. All right, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. I am also watching other people's kids, so you will be hearing them in the background, and you might hear me yell at them. Mind your business, because they are too loud. I mean, the house do have an echo, but come on now, you don't have to be that loud, okay? So just letting y'all know, you're gonna hear my nephews in the background. Shoot, I might get them to help me clean up this house, because ain't no way. Y'all do not mind my mom. This is literally her room, but don't mind her. She just came back from church, and I should have definitely did this, like, started recording before she came back, but I was a little lazy. I was procrastinating, to be honest with you. But she's in her room now, and she ain't moving. So I did say, hey, can you step out for a minute? But I ain't even gonna do that. She was like, no, I'm gonna sit down, I'm tired. And she was walking around these heels. And you know, you get older, your feet don't work the same. So she just gonna be in the video, okay? Don't mind her. But her outfit was cute today, for real. Now, since I do stay at home with my mom, I do not always clean up her room. Every, like, blue moon, I would clean up her room, just straighten it up. I'm really not, like, doing a deep clean. Now, that I'm not doing. Now, she just gonna do that herself. But I will, like, if I see her room is, like, messy or whatever, honestly, it's because of my nephews being there all the time. So, yeah, I'm gonna straighten it up for her and, get it going. Because, like, everybody wants to come home to a clean home. And if you don't, baby, I don't know what's wrong with you. But I know I do. Especially if I don't come home to a clean home, at least I'm coming home to a clean room, okay? So I just straightened it up. That's all I did. It really wasn't nothing. And it only took me like 30 minutes to do. Plus, I was recording, so it took me a little longer. But anything else, this usually would take me like 15 minutes. Not even that, because I'm quick with it. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes I don't do this. Sometimes I do. And when I do, it makes her happy every time. So, and it gives her peace as well. So I understand. But yeah, she do stuff for me. I do stuff for her. Period. Okay, so we are in the kitchen, and all I'm doing in here is wiping off the counters, doing these dishes, wiping off the stove, and sweeping, and possibly mopping in here. Yeah, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I have to unload the dishwasher, so let's go ahead and do that. I might have my nephews help me because they just talking at the TV. So my auntie needs some help. Okay, so that's what I'm probably gonna do. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, you will be hearing my nephews in the background. They was on the second floor with me, so I gotta watch them. So making sure they're not getting into nothing. So now we're on the first floor, and you gonna hear them as well. But I wanted to say I do love using my Dawn soap. Like, I love using this spray. Like, I use this literally on everything, every surface. Like, I really like it. It doesn't stain anything or anything like that. It's like a degreaser. I love that. I use it on the living room table as well. It's just a simple like table, and it is linked to my Amazon storefront. But the table, it like the grease, it gets off the grease, the dirt, grime. My nephews be in the living room all the time, and they mess up the white table. It's a white table, okay? They mess it up, and I just do not like that. But the Dawn soap, the Dawn spray that I use, it gets it every time. It's so easy on me for cleaning this house. Like, it's a huge house, so it's easy for me to clean it. But I highly recommend it. Highly, highly recommend it. Okay. For using anything in the kitchen, I'll use a rag, and then I'll go in with this microfiber towel and wipe down. This gives it like a clean, nice feel, a smooth look to it. Besides all uh, these runny, like, you leave like watermarks, this will definitely get it. So I love this after, once I'm done cleaning up. Y'all, my nephew was doing too much, so he had to stand over to the side for a minute, take a 5-minute break because you're doing too much, especially you're doing too much yelling. But anyway, let's get back into this cleaning. All right, so now I'm almost finished with the kitchen. I am just sweeping, and then we're just gonna mop, okay? I use these products all the time. We get them from our local grocery store, Snooks, or Dollar Tree as well. And we usually use all this stuff. I use all three of these things, put them in a bottle with some hot water, and just pour it on the floor and just get the mopping. It's simple, that easy. I'm not doing too much with the floor. It gets the floor clean all the time. And I don't use a lot of these products. I use a little bit of the Fabuloso. I use a little bit of the dish detergent, and I don't know how much I use of the bleach, but I do use quite a bit because that bleach kills the germs on the floor. Not only that, it gets rid of the dirt easy. And if I use way more Fabuloso and a lot of dish detergent, it's literally gonna have the floor sticky. With more bleach and water, it kills all the germs, and it works every time. I don't know about y'all, but I just love a clean home, a clean space. Even though it's probably gonna get dirty in like the next 5 minutes, but I just love this. Like just the OCD. It just looks so clean. Nobody's touched nothing. Oh, I just love it. Now we are finally in the living room, and this is usually how my nephews have the living room. The little one usually messes with the stuff on the top of the table, but my other nephew, he usually have the pillows everywhere because they're playing in here. Literally playing. Like, y'all tell me, do this look like a living room where you play in? It doesn't. It doesn't. So like I said, I use the Dawn spray, and it gets like all of the dirt. Like, do you see all the dirt, the grime, and like the fingerprints, and they got juice spots and all type of stuff on the table, to where like sticky stuff, like that's sticky right there. And I touched it. So yeah, that's sticky. I don't know what that is. It's probably like some type of sucker or candy. They be having crumbs all on the carpet and the floor, and something sticky on the floor. But this is what I have to clean up. Yeah. They usually have it like this often, and I usually tell them to clean it up, but for the sake of this video, I was cleaning up. I always clean up after them. I make them clean up. They do a decent job, and then I go in after them and really like thoroughly clean up. All right, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys are interested in anything that you saw in this video, it is linked in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video.
We are the most beautiful creatures in the whole world, black people. I mean that in every sense.